Subscribe my channel,
Press on subscribe
and
button,
you
then
will be
press on
notified.
bell
And
icon.
also click on bell icon. Here we can see the game here, traffic writer, and very fabulous and interesting game. From the screen you can click next, then here you can put your name, profile, select next, then choose career, then click next, and here is the place where you have to ride the bike. Very interesting and beautiful place. See here, location is very good, natural, absolutely very natural. See here, then please okay. Here is the game, here is the bike. Oh, you can ride this from both hand. See, from right hand you can accelerate it, and from left hand, as you see on a screen, you can brake it. Just accelerate it, accelerate, boom boom, accelerate, accelerate. Oh, it's just proximity game. Oh, just see, accelerate it. Very interesting. Kong 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 kong. Hey, shape shape. Just here. Oh, right here. Very interesting game. Just countdown starting here. Countdown. Just how many seconds left? 25, 24, 23. Oh, 10 again. Once again. Restore. Just slow down. Just a break. Accelerate it. Accelerate. Oh. Accelerate it. Oh. Oh. Then you can continue. Then you have to buy a gold worth purchase and please restart game. Restart the game. That it process. Once again it starts. The same instructions you have to follow to play the game. Just accelerate it. Accelerate. Thank you very much, and you subscribe my channel. Thank you.